see in front of me Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and here in search pool enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open, click yes, I agree, pick close. On the left down corner, tap to OK, and now we can see here the information with the temperature of our device battery. In my case, that's 28.2 degrees. And also we can find here more information like the battery levels, health, capacity, device voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.